running out of time, but this is one monster lightning maker. All the way over here. This is the base. Going all the way. And then all over the head and around. Incredible. Some old lady is trying to not be in my video. I don't want you in my video either. Just make me laugh. Anyway. So I don't know how long I had to stay here for the fireworks to go off. You have people cheering for being locked down. That's kind of comical. But I guess they're keeping a positive outlook on things. But I have nicknamed clouds like this one. It's huge and literally climbs up the field. You could say the ceiling of it. See, the field is higher at the center and progressively goes down. I think it's spherical. As far as the first 1 to maybe 3 or 5 miles from me outward, the radius. And the sphere forms a giant vortex, which may go out for hundreds or even I don't even know, could even be wrapping around the fucking planet. For all I know, as strong as I've gotten over the years. We'll be interacting with outer space, with other planetary bodies, other suns. I mean, insane amount of energy. One human mind. Look at that, that's cool too. So I love the Hudson. Seeing these ships go up and down. And we got like almost a full moon. Now, I think this field is able to get multiple energy sources from different planetary bodies. The moon, the earth, the sun. The brown dwarfs, but that's another video. Just hoping this can pop off before I gotta get rolling here. But this one should last a while. That's cool. I can't wait. I wish I had a real camera for this job, but work with what we got. So we got a limited budget at the moment. My views are always terrible anyway. People who are the real deal don't get any views. Ironic. He knows what to get the gab, get all the views and attention. See, people would think that that's just for the rioters. They're looking at that too, but they're definitely keeping around me. Always been interested in me. This policy is never admitted in person, though. And I have a shit ton of videos that would prove my claims. Shit ton. And then the fact that it's easy for me to prove what I can do anyway. It doesn't take much effort. Now, this is cool. Over here, there's another group of nimbus clouds about to look like they're starting to form, but this one over here by the bridge, it's smaller, but it's higher energy. But this bad boy, something. Okay, I'm about to do, I don't know, part 4, I think. White cloud out.